ready to get prepared to get in the water. I get on this kayak first. Spin everything around. Bag. I'll set up in a little bit. So, I think we'll take first thing in the morning on the kayak, kind of see what we can get with it, and then later on in the day we'll probably try this paddleboard. Never rode a paddleboard, or I have, but I never fished off a paddleboard, so we'll have to try that out. But first things first, let's get my other Whopper Plopper, tie that guy on, and hit the water. All right, these rods in there. Now just take one, I'll tie it on once we get out there. We do it, and we're off. I'm gonna try to hit off the backside. Beautiful, beautiful. Try to make our way to this backside where I caught that fish yesterday. Trying to get out some top water. See what we can get. Here. Get my Whopper Plopper. Kind of hard to balance. This isn't a fishing kayak, but that's what I have to do on this trip. Just waiting for a huge blow up. Turn myself this way. I need to try to hit the very backside of the lake. Take y'all there. I think I see something. Let's go and hit up the backside for real this time. I'll start off now officially in the back over there, way in the back. I'm gonna start going in that area first, work my way around. And I know I keep saying that I'm gonna go to the back, but it just looks too good. I'm gonna have to cast over here real quick. This is when it's beneficial to have a John boat of some sort. I think I'm retrieving it a little too fast. You go a little slow at it. I think I had something to jump at it. I need to cast between these big old stumps right here. Oh, maybe something will come out. on, fishy fishies. Wake up. Here, fishy fishy. Alright guys, finally gonna go to the end. A little bit more. Oh, that fog is beautiful. Oh, it's coming towards me. All right. Nope. Bringing that net would have been nice. Really hard to balance. Alright guys, fish number 2 on the trip. Fish number 1. Not a bad one. Not a bad one. Let's keep going. Let's go. I need to turn around and cast in that same area. See what it gets us. Where there's one, there's another, right? So. It wasn't the big one we're looking for, but I'll take it. I really got to get myself a kayak. Oh, shoot. I got another one. Oh, it's coming right at me. This is why you get... Oh. Oh, no. That sucks. It's really hard to stay balanced. I'm really not trying to fall out. These fish are small that I'm catching. I might fall out if I catch a big one. Not gonna lie, that'd be scary as crap. Man, let's see if we can get another bite in topwater. I mean, this is where they're at. I better catch them right here. You guys can see all this, but this is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Where's the big ones at? Oh shoot. And right to these stumps. Maybe it'll just stop me so I can just chill. We'll work our way into the... Start working the edge of the pond. We'll come back here later. Man, here lately I've been... You've seen in the last video, I've been having good luck with the shaky head with the trick worm. So we'll try that out later as it gets warmer. Really shallow over here. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's real shallow over here. We'll go ahead and kind of work our way. Kind of want to try that old dock right there. Work our way that way. Hopefully we can get another bite, another catch. Again, we'll try to come back this area later as it warms up. Really start working a Texas rig or shake head along the bottom of these trees. So, my goodness, really shallow here. Whoa. Get me out of here. Boy, I'm about to be like the Titanic over here. Iceberg, right ahead. I was about to topple over. Oh man, see, it is possible on a DC. try to get in this little cove. Some will blow up over here. Got one. Dude. That was a huge blow up. Got a little too excited on that hook set. Maybe we can try to get him again. Working out perfect. Look at all that vegetation. I got that bite there. Trying to hit this side. So I'll get something. Wish I was good at skipping. This kayak doesn't have a back to it, so I gotta lean back into this thing. Yeah. Not bad, boys. Skinny fella. Boys, chill. Alright. I really gotta figure this out. I'm over here trying to unhook the fish. The kayak is going to the bank. My rod is about to fall in the water. The paddle is about to fall in the water. I don't know how you kayak fishing kayakers do it, dude. Fish 3 on the trip. Almost had 4 or 5. The biggest one I got, I didn't even get on camera. Try to get some fish over here. All right, ATV time. Got the family on board. Got the map. Let's go. Go on some trails. Try this out. See what we end up with. You ready?
Yeah.
You guys ready?
Yep.
We are over here. So I think we're gonna follow this road here. Woohoo, this is awesome. There's that dock, dude. Gotta do it. Oh, okay.
Dad has to stop already.
Hold up. Let me just do a couple casts. Couple casts, all right? Couple casts meaning when I feel like being done, you know? Let's do this. There's a tree there. Off to a bad start. Oh, that's a jacked up lure, but maybe we'll get something. All right, let's just go. Let's go. Oh my goodness. Oh, shoot.
How much did we test this thing? I've never even read them.
I don't know, but I trust that. I don't know, but I trust that.
I trust Dad too.
I trust that.
I trust Dad too.
I trust that. Oh my god. Oh god, it's send everything.
Okay. Get it, get it. Stay even. Stay. Oh god. Oh god. Let's go. Send it. Make it to the other trail. Go around. Show the people these cabins. Couple houses here. The beach area right here. Beautiful, beautiful area. Pickleball court to your left with a little putting green.
They're like on their belly and like going.
All right, little playground. Next time we come here, we'll do a John boat for sure. Next stop. Let's see what we got here. Boy, let's put in work on some tags. We're gonna try this on a shaky head. All right. See if we get anything. Designed so it could stand up straight in the water with these ribs. Right on the shaky head. Move on. Just keep driving. To the trail. Let's go. Oh God! Spider web. Holy moly! We need to buy one of these.
Of course, yes, absolutely.
Mom's car could tow it. Woo!
Oh my gosh, can't you?
Spider web. Oh my God. Let's find a stick.
Go, go, go! What are we going over? Look at the house.
Whoa! That tree tipped over.
Oh,
The
the tree tipped over and like
took the ground with it.
Oh!
We gotta stay in it. We gotta stay in it. You don't want to get stuck. Man, we gotta stay in it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Let's go. Send it.
Oh my God.
Let's go. They also got horses on the property. Is that how you talk to horses?
No.
Like a dog? Oh. Oh, good. Good horsey. Okay, let's go. Bye, horsies. Bye. Oh, look at the goats.
Over there.
They're Asian goats, the little Fu Manchu.
He looks like dogs. Oh, that's touching.
What are you talking about? Oh. The your samurai coach? These must be Asian goats.
No. I'm about to kill a spider web. You said send it right here. You said send it right here. Jeez. 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 I'm holding onto the camera too. Oh yeah.
Come on, Ben. So I drink my coffee on the dock one last time where we have to check out. Coffee, crazy dog, come buddy. Coffee, and dock. Come here, bud. Sit. Sit. Just enjoy the view. Good boy. There's already a couple of people fishing out that way. You gotta pack everything up. Put the kayaks up. This pedal boat, we gotta put it back. Say that was a successful trip. Caught a couple fish. Didn't get the big one that we were hoping for, but truly enjoyed the fish I caught. Caught a fish in a kayak for the first time, a paddle boat. Truly really got to kayak. Maybe the first time. My boys really enjoyed it, my wife. We had a good time, man. A good family spot here at Deer Lake Cabins. We'll definitely be doing this again. Right, Benji boy. Hope you guys really enjoyed the videos. It's time to pack up, hit the road, and keep catching some fish. Beautiful. these kayaks back after you're done using them. We have all these kayaks out here for an office. Plenty of kayaks to use if you have extra members of your family. Extra wake boats or paddleboards. Now, we will definitely be coming back here. Can't beat the price. Can't beat the amenities that you have here. Just overall peaceful. Definitely had a good time. As always, vacations don't last forever, so time to clean up the house, and catch you on the next one.